Hello crafters, welcome to Created Home with G and today's video. Today I'll have a design team video for you from MayMayMadeIt.com. I'm going to be using one of MayMay's Christmas in July releases, and this is the Ornamental Greetings, and I'm going to use the gorgeous large Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sentiment, and I'm going to use one of these pre-made hanging palette, and I'm going to use these Christmas ornaments on my tree. I'm going to use some distress ink in the vintage photo, and this is a distress ink that I use just for this purpose. I'm going to go straight onto the wood just to knock back that perfectness, that clean, crisp newness. Okay, and I bought a new what do you call this, embossing pad, because I think the one I was using was running out. I wasn't doing a very good job, and I'm going to use a Nouveau embossing powder, and this one is glitter embossing. So I'm going to emboss that lovely large sentiment onto this ornament, and I think it will look absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to use my Fishes press, which is also available from MayMayMadeIt. Make sure I get it the right way. I'm thinking about maybe putting a tiny little wreath at the top there, made with some wired leaves that I have here, and this is just some wired leaf from my stash. I want a small little wreath at the top there. So I'm not going to hot glue that on. I'll hot glue that on afterwards. Let's do the heat embossing first. So let's give this a good covering. Now this is a brand new pad, so hopefully I get everything covered. Okay, let's bring the ornament over, and I'm going to stamp the image more towards the bottom because I want that wreath at the top, and press down. Hoping to get a good transfer. Felt like it. Okay, let's bring over some paper. And let's put on the powder. Okay, so we're going to bring over a soft brush, because obviously the vintage photo ink is slightly wet, so it's got some caught around the edges, which is fine. I don't mind that at all. That, my crafty chums, is absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful, beautiful stamp. Right, now let's put this chap at the top. Just going to put some hot glue on him, and he will sit at the top there. And there we go, crafters. I will do, I think I'm going to use the, now seeing how gorgeous that is, I'm thinking of using, because I have one of the square ones left over, so I was thinking of doing maybe a bauble one. So let me just ink up the edges of that one, because that is just gorgeous. So I'm going to ink up the edges like I did with the first one. And then using the bauble and some of the ribbon that it comes with, ribbon tails, put these gorgeous baubles on here at varying heights. Do I just want the two? I think I'm going to have the third one about here. I love creating and playing with stamp sets, especially creating some home decor pieces. Okay, now I'm going to use the gold again. Okay, I think I want to... Do I want to stamp the insides in black or maybe green? I wonder what the safari green will look like on here from Nouveau. What do I want to stamp in there? I want to try this Nouveau green. This is the safari green. Let's see what that looks like in here on the wood. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay crafters, there we go. So that's that one done, and I really like the way that turned out. I really like that. They are, for me, they're just really nice. I think they're really lovely and personalised ornaments. This one in particular is just, yeah, I love that. I'm not sure, I think this one might need something on this side. Maybe I should put a berry there with some leaves or something. What do you think, crafters? Because I definitely think it needs something on that side. And then maybe some sort of a pine cone or something. Okay, let's do that. So let's put some glue in this top corner. Yep, that's perfect for me. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters. There'll be a blog post with all the a list of items that I use in today's video. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.